to do a third lesson on geometry. Today we're doing lines of symmetry. So lines of symmetry, I've got a piece of paper here and I've cut it out. We're gonna figure out some lines of symmetry. Symmetry means symmetrical. It means it's the same on both sides. And the surefire way to know something is symmetrical is you fold it in half. So if I fold this piece of paper exactly in half, and they meet up, the two sides, they come together exactly, nothing hanging over. That is a line of symmetry. And usually we're asked to draw a line of symmetry, so I'm going to draw it right there on the fold. There's a line of symmetry. So can I fold this another way? Well, on this one, I can do corner to corner. It's a square. So again, no overlaps. So that is also a line of symmetry. Now I could make more, right? I could do the opposites. I could do this one, and I could do this one, because if I folded along those lines, they would all line up. We're washing out. Change the line a little bit. There you go. Now you can see the lines. So what about a shape like this? Can I fold this? Is there a line of symmetry for this parallelogram? So let me see, if I try and fold it this way, no, it does not line up. This way, I got something hanging over. Can I go corner to corner? So there is actually not a line of symmetry for this parallelogram because I just can't fold it. It doesn't have one. How about something like a rectangle? I mean, obviously we could fold it in half like we did the square and it would match up. Corner to corner though, it's not going to work this time. So for this rectangle, I can only go like this way and this way. How about a circle? Are there lines of symmetry on a circle? So obviously, yes, I can fold it in half. And the answer for how many lines of symmetry on this circle is it's infinite, because I could fold it in half as many different ways as I wanted. I would never run out of ways to fold this. And there would always be another way I could fold it to make another line of symmetry. So I could start drawing all the lines for all the folds I made. There I've made 3 lines of symmetry already. Can I keep folding it? Yeah, I could fold it over and over and over. So for a circle, it's infinite. So here's what you are going to do on your slideshow. You are going to actually draw lines of symmetry for each shape. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go up here. This guy is line. It says line. You click it. You'll get a little plus shape, and you just draw a line. And whoops, go back. This isn't quite in the center, so I'm just going to click it and drag it over, make it be in the middle. I can change the line color. See, it says line color. I'll make it red. I can also change how thick it is. I can make it thicker. Okay. I want another line. Draw the line. You can move it around if it's not quite right. Got your lines of symmetry. And we are going to try and draw all the lines of symmetry. So for this one, I would have to keep going. Now, when you get to this one, we just saw earlier that there is not one. So what you are going to do is you're going to come right up here to the text box. See, it says text box. It's a little box around a T. You click that. You drag to make a box. Why do I keep switching screens? You drag, oh, there's my text box. I click in it, and I'm going to write none. That's how we know that there are none, that you didn't just skip it. There's some more that you draw on this page, some more that you draw on this page. The circle, we just said you couldn't possibly draw all of them. So you're going to again do this text box. You're going to draw your text box, and you are going to write infinite. This is how I'm going to know you watched the video, because you will know to do this. Okay, and then you have one more page on this where you draw the lines of symmetry for the triangles. So remember, just always imagine, did would they line up if you folded it across the line that you drew? There you have it, lines of symmetry. Not too tough. Have fun.